Have you ever wondered why so many cultures throughout history have revered the moon? From ancient civilizations to modern-day spiritual practices, the moon has been seen as a powerful force influencing everything from nature to human emotions. But did you know that you can actually harness the energy of the moon to manifest your dream life? Moon rituals have been practiced for centuries, helping people set intentions, release negativity, and align their energy with the universe. The moon's phases represent different cycles of transformation, making it a perfect guide for personal growth and manifestation. In this video, we're diving deep into the ancient wisdom of moon rituals and how you can use them to bring your dreams to life. Stay with us until the end, where we'll share a simple yet powerful moon ritual that you can start today. The moon's phases and their manifestation power. Before we explore specific moon rituals, let's understand how the moon's phases affect our energy. Each phase has unique properties that can either amplify your manifestations or help you release what no longer serves you. Number 1. New moon, the phase of new beginnings. The new moon is a time of fresh starts. Think of it as a blank slate where you set new intentions. This is the perfect time to visualize your goals and plant the seeds of your desires. Number 2. Waxing moon, the growth phase. As the moon moves from new to full, it enters the waxing phase, which is all about growth and momentum. This is when you take action on the goals you set during the new moon. Number 3. Full moon, the manifestation phase. The full moon is the most powerful phase for manifestation. The energy is at its peak, making it the perfect time to celebrate successes and express gratitude. Number 4. Waning moon, the release phase. The waning moon is a time for reflection and letting go. It's perfect for releasing negativity, toxic relationships, and old patterns that no longer serve you. Number 5. Dark moon, the rest and reset phase. The final phase before the next new moon is the dark moon, a time for deep rest, introspection, and preparing for a new cycle. Now that we understand the moon's phases, let's explore how to harness this energy through rituals. Harnessing lunar energy for manifestation. The science behind lunar energy. The moon's gravitational pull affects the ocean tides, and since our bodies are made up of about 60% water, it's no surprise that we also feel its energy shifts. Many people report heightened emotions, increased intuition, and even vivid dreams around the full moon. By aligning our actions with the moon's energy, we sync with nature's rhythm, making our manifestations more effective. How to perform a new moon ritual for manifestation. Here's a simple yet powerful new moon ritual to help you set clear intentions. Find a quiet, sacred space. This could be in nature, by a window, or a cozy corner in your home. Light a candle. Candles symbolize light and transformation. Write down your intentions. Be specific about what you want to manifest. Instead of saying, "I want more money," write, "I am attracting financial abundance through opportunities that align with my purpose." Visualize your goal. Close your eyes and feel the emotions of already having what you desire. Speak affirmations aloud. Affirmations like, "I am open to receiving abundance," help reinforce your intentions. Seal your ritual. Keep your written intentions in a safe place and revisit them throughout the month. Rituals for each moon phase. Each phase of the moon requires a different approach to manifestation. Here are rituals tailored for each phase. New moon ritual, setting intentions. Write down 3 to 5 goals for the upcoming cycle. Create a vision board to reinforce your desires. Meditate on your dreams while holding a crystal like moonstone or clear quartz. Waxing moon ritual, taking action. Break your big goals into smaller, actionable steps. Use journaling to track progress and overcome obstacles. Charge your water with positive affirmations and drink it daily. Full moon ritual, manifesting and gratitude. Perform a gratitude meditation under the moonlight. Take a ritual bath with Epsom salts and lavender to cleanse your energy. Charge your crystals by placing them outside overnight. Waning Moon Ritual, letting go and releasing. Write down things you want to release, negative thoughts, bad habits. Burn the paper safely as a symbolic gesture of letting go. Do a cord-cutting meditation to detach from toxic people or past traumas. Dark Moon Ritual, rest and reset. Spend time in silence or practice deep breathing exercises. Journal about what worked in the past cycle and what needs improvement. Sleep early to allow deep rest and renewal. Creating your own personalized moon ritual. The best moon rituals are the ones that feel most authentic to you. You don't need an elaborate setup. Just a few simple elements can enhance your practice. Moon Ritual Essentials. Crystals. Moonstone, intuition. Amethyst, protection. Citrine, abundance. Candles. White, clarity. Green, growth. Blue, peace. Herbs and essential oils. Sage, cleansing. Rosemary, focus. Lavender, calm. Journal. Documenting your progress keeps you accountable. Here's a quick anytime moon ritual you can do. Find a quiet space and light a candle. Hold a crystal and breathe deeply for a few minutes. Set an intention and repeat an affirmation like, "I trust the universe to guide me." Express gratitude for what's already manifesting in your life. The journey of manifestation. Moon rituals are not quick fixes, but rather tools for deep transformation. Consistency and patience are key. Number 1. The power of gratitude. Gratitude raises your vibration and attracts more abundance into your life. Take time each day to write down 3 things you're grateful for. Number 2. Self-love and manifestation. You cannot manifest abundance if you don't believe you deserve it. Daily self-love affirmations, such as "I am worthy of my dreams," help reprogram limiting beliefs. Number 3. Trusting the process. Some manifestations take time. Trust that what's meant for you will arrive at the perfect moment. The moon teaches us that everything moves in cycles, and so does our journey toward our dreams. The moon is one of the greatest allies on your manifestation journey. By aligning with its energy, you tap into ancient wisdom that has guided humanity for centuries. So, are you ready to manifest your dream life with moon rituals? Start tonight by performing a simple ritual and see how your reality shifts. Drop an emoji in the comments if you're excited to begin your moon manifestation journey. Also, like, share, and subscribe for more powerful manifestation tips. Until next time, stay aligned with the magic of the universe.